How's the view?
What the fuck are you doing in my place?
The door was open, and by the looks of the car around here, it don't look like it's your place.
The old granny just checked out.
Difference between you and me is you love to prey on the weak and innocent, but I like to prey on sick people like you. Which way, Hillbilly? Get up! Come on! Ready to talk? Huh?
Yeah!
Which way, Hillbilly? Which way? Yeah? Get up! Ready to talk to me? Come on, white trash!
Okay. Okay.
All right, bitch, assume the position. You're under arrest. Get up against the wall and give me a hand.
Fuck you!
Oh, hell no, Storm. I think I dropped something. You see anything on the street down there? Hey, looks like he got the hiccups. Somebody get that guy a glass of water.